Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about type of operating system. Okay? Before starting with the type of operating system, you should know about what is operating system. Okay? For that you must have watched my previous video. So these are the major operating system in the market. Okay? What are the types of operating system? That is a batch operating system, time sharing operating system, distributed operating system, network operating system, and real time operating system. Okay, if you'll work, if you'll do some kind of research, you can understand that you can go on categorizing these operating system. Okay, but basically the operating system can be categorized in the batch, time sharing, and so on. So what is the batch operating system? In batch operating system, the job of the similar need, okay, the job of the similar need are taken together in a group, okay, and batches are made, and that batch is being executed or given to the system for execution. Okay, job of the similar need, job batch is created for the job of the similar need, and then it is given for execution. That is a batch operating system. Okay, what are the advantage of this batch operating system? Okay, the major batch advantage of this batch operating system is multiple user can share the same batch, idle time is reduced. Okay, what is the disadvantage? Main disadvantage is it is hard to debug. Okay, that is in one batch particular, if some kind of problem arises, they needs to sort out that to which job this particular uh, error belongs to. Okay, that is a major disadvantage of the batch operating system. Example of this batch operating system is batch based operating system is payroll system or the bank statement system. Okay, you might heard about this NEFT transaction is been carried out in the span of 15 minutes or in span of 30 minutes. Okay, how it happens? That is the job of the similar need are taken together and then it is given for execution. Next is the time sharing operating system. What do you understand by the time sharing operating system? There can be number of processes in your system. Okay. Now each process P1, P2, P3 for example, they will be given a quantum time and they will execute in that particular quantum time. If the quantum time is completed, then the execution will shift to the another process. Okay, and so on, and it will move in a cycle manner. Okay, if new process is added, then that will be again given some amount of quantum time. That is a time sharing operating system. From the diagram you can see that you are going to have a process that is a word, email and browser. Okay, it is been executed in a sequential manner, okay, by the operating system. That is a time sharing operating system. So you will not experience any kind of delay because the switching is very quick. Okay, that is in the time sharing operating system. So advantages is each task is going to have the equal opportunity. Okay, idle time of the CPU is reduced. Okay, and the major disadvantage is security and integrity. As number of processes are executing simultaneously, one process should not tamper with the any kind of data of the another process. How that is taken care? Okay, that is a different topic itself. Okay, but everything needs to be taken care by the operating system, that it should not tamper with the other data. Okay, that is a time sharing operating system. Each process is given a time to execute in that particular span. Next is the distributed operating system. Okay, what do you understand by the distributed operating system? Okay, it looks like the ordinary centralized operating system, but it is executed on the multiple independent CPU. Okay, in the network it is distributed and it works on the independent CPU. So obviously it is much more reliable. Okay, the performance is higher. Okay, and if even if the one of the system is going to get crashed, your overall network will be working. Okay, it allow for the many user to access the data. Okay, and it allow the user to share the system. That is the distributed operating system. Okay, just remember that in distributed operating system, your operating system is distributed on multiple independent CPU. That is a distributed operating system. Next is the network operating system. What do you understand by the network names? From the name itself, you can understand that what is the network operating system you must be doing. Okay, network operating system. Okay, this kind of software. Okay, it runs on the server. Okay, this system run on the server, and it provides the capability to manage data. Okay, to manage the user application and network functionality. It allows to share or access of files, printer, security application, and so on. So, majorly the network operating system is installed in the workstation, or you might have experienced that it is installed in your lab. Okay, like if you are going to have the thin client based system, the operating system is installed on the server. There will be various thin client that will be accessing the system. There will be few resources, one printer and one scanner for the complete lab, and they are going to make utilize of all this stuff. Okay, and the operating system will be only installed on the particular server system. That is a network operating system. Okay, network operating system. This system run on the server, and it runs on the server. Okay, it runs on the server, and it provides the capability that the client will access all kind of functionality. Okay, that is the network operating system. Okay, next is the real time operating system. Real time operating system requires the process and response to your input is very small. The time interval is very small. Real time. Okay, that is it should work in the real time. Okay, again the real time operating system is categorized into a hard real time and soft real time. In hard real time, the constraint is too much. Okay, means if it execute, it should get executed. If it is not executed in that particular time span, your system crash. Okay, that is a this kind of real time operating system is used in the industrial control system, in the um, missile system. Okay, that is a real time operating system. It should get executed in that particular span. No kind of delay is being entertained. Okay, whereas in the soft real time system, the time restriction is much lesser. Okay, real time operating system is categorized as the hard real time and soft real time. In hard real time, no constraint. Okay, there should not be any kind of delay. Okay, whereas in the soft real time, little bit delay is been allowed. Getting? Okay, students. So just a quick overview. Type of operating system: batch. In batch, job of the similar needs are taken together, created a batch, and then it has been executed. In time sharing operating system, each process is given a quantum amount of time to get executed. In distributed operating system, the operating system is installed in various independent CPU. Okay. In network operating system, the operating system is installed on the server. It manages all kind of client. Okay, it provides all kind of functionality. And the real-time operating system, it works in the real time of the user. Okay, no kind of delay is been acceptable in this real-time operating system. Okay, I hope you understand my lecture, and if you like my lecture, kindly like, share and subscribe. In next video, we'll come with another topic related to operating system. Thank you for watching.